Hello everyone, you're welcome back once again. My name is Victor Digumba here, and in the classes we've been having recently, we've been looking at the theory of logarithm and some examples and problems that are coming from the theory of logarithm. We have started from indices, and then we looked at the connection between the laws of indices, and then down to the theory of logarithm. Okay, and then if you were following us, you realize that we've been able to solve a lot of problems that has to do with the theory of logarithm, most of which is VIC examinable questions. And then right away, I have been able to discuss the laws of logarithm, but there are some of them. There's a particular one I have not been able to show us, and then to also be able to understand the usage in application. All right, look at this we have on the board. The logarithm of 1 to any base is 0. Can we show it? That the logarithm of 1 to any base is 0. Can one be able to explain that? Let's check out what happens there. Do you recall that if I say get me log 125 in base 5, if I ask you to get me this, you remember you can rewrite this as let log 125 in base 5, let the answer be x. If you just watch the last class I did, where I solved the problem that has to do with logarithm of number resulting to simultaneous equation, you will see me demonstrate. You must have seen where I made use of an idea like this. Okay, so if you saw that, you would understand it here. Okay, so what we do here is we interchange this, and I can write this as 5 raised to power x equals to 125. So this is 5 raised to power x equals to 5 raised to power I think 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 again will give us 125. That's 5 raised to power 3. So if you watch here, the base are equal, that means x is equals to 3. This concept I am bringing, I want to use it here. I want to deploy it here. So if I have something like log 1 in base 3, can I show that this is equals to 0? Okay, can I show that it is equals to 0? Let's see. So let log 1 in base 3, let the answer be x, like as I did here. Okay, you can see that if I interchange them, I'm going to have 3 raised to power x equals to what now? 1. Of course, 1 raised to power 1. And you remember in the laws of indices, because I have been saying that the laws of indices and the laws of logarithm, they intermarry. So 1 can be rewritten as, so I can write 3 raised to power x equals to 3 raised to power 0. Any number raised to power 0 is equals to 1. So no offense committed. So we can see that here, since the base are equal, that x is equals to 0. That means that this is equals to 0. Have we been able to show that logarithm of, if you try it in logarithm of 1 to another base 4, or what other base, you still get this? Just take it out. So I have been able to show you that the logarithm of 1 to any base is equals to what? 0. So that's a very, very perfect conclusion. Please share this video to someone, and then click on the subscription button and on the notification button, and then like our video. By doing that, you are empowering us to make more impact in the society. Thank you so much for being there. God bless you.